Think you need money to make money? Not anymore. In this video, I'll show you 5 side hustles you can start in 2025 with zero investment, real results, and total flexibility. First up, freelance writing. You don't need a degree or fancy portfolio. Start by offering blog writing on platforms like Fiverr or Medium. AI tools like Grammarly and ChatGPT can help polish your work. Second, design simple graphics for mugs, shirts, or phone cases using Canva. Upload them to platforms like Redbubble or Printful. You only get paid when someone buys. No upfront cost, no inventory. Third, are you good at math, design, or even gaming? People pay for tutoring or coaching online. Sites like Superprof, Cambly, or even your own social media can help you get clients. 4. Promote products you actually use. Amazon Associates, Canva, Notion, and more offer affiliate programs. 5. Create simple tutorials or reviews and drop your link in the description. Exactly like this one. No need to show your face. Script plus AI voice plus stock footage equals real revenue. Pick a niche you know and start small. Which side hustle are you starting first? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got weekly money moves coming your way. This is Zero to Wealth.